Bertrand Russell was once asked, how can you behave unethically when you're a professor of ethics? So he said, I also am a professor of mathematics, and I'm not a triangle. We can have brilliant minds, but emotionally we can be 2-year-olds. How do we create a holistic system that addresses the dissonance, the split between mind and heart? The way to the heart is through the mind. With your mind, you're ready to imagine things that you are not ready actually to do. When you start dreaming about ideas and possibilities that are beyond what you are capable of today, slowly the mind opens up the possibility that this may be possible. It helps you create a cognitive life raft. And that opens up the heart to begin to want to experience it as well. The fragile heart, the one that may be afraid, the one that may have experienced insecurities, begins to say, it may be possible.